Jarvis, are you up?
For you, sir, always.
So, what do we have today?
Tony, there were 5 candidates who were waiting for you to have a check on their task.
Which task we are talking about, Jarvis?
The task which consists of 5 data that need to be analyzed. All of the candidates have completed the task given, and they want you to have a look on their data analysis.
Okay, Jarvis, bring it on.
These are the profile and the information about the candidates.
Thanks, Jarvis.
So Tony, let's proceed with the first candidates.
Assalamualaikum and very good day. My name is Mohamad bin Zulkifli with matrix number AS11987, and today I'm going to present the first question. In this question, it consists of 5 sub-questions, which is definition of statistic, the important to learn statistic, measure areas of statistic, detail and examples of those statistics, and the difference between descriptive statistic and inferential statistic. Statistic is a branch of applied mathematics that involves the collection, description, analysis, presenting, and inference of conclusion from the quantitative data. The mathematical theories behind statistics rely heavily on the differential and integral calculus, linear algebra, and probability theory. It is very essential to learn statistics because it helps people on how to use the proper methods to collect the data, employ the correct analysis, and get an effectively present by the result. There are 2 major areas of statistics, which is known as descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics are used to present the quantitative description, describe the basic and simple features of the data in a static case, and it provides simple summaries about the sample and the measures. However, the inferential statistics are the process of using data analysis to improve properties of an underlying distribution of probability, inferential statistics to use the raw data collected and to make the assumption, and inferences to make general conclusions. The examples of descriptive statistics are average test score for the students in a classroom, average gender in a university, and the numbers of cars in a roadway a day. While the examples of inferential statistics are to estimate the production of milk in a dairy factory, the estimation of population mean weight, and the prediction of human population in the future. In conclusion, the descriptive statistic consists of the collection, organization, classification, summarization, and data presentation. And in other hand, inferential statistic consists of generalizing from sample to population, performing estimation, hypothesis testing, determining relationships among variables, and making prediction. That's all from me. Thank you.
Question number 8. The question asks us to determine whether the variable is qualitative or quantitative for each following variable. If the variable is quantitative, determine whether the variable is discrete or continuous. In addition, determine the level of measurement for each of the following. A. Number of times spent shopping in a bookstore. B. Number of textbooks purchased. C. Academic costs. And D. Gender. For A, amount of time spent shopping in the bookstore is a quantitative variable as the values result from counting or measuring something, and it is a continuous variable as the value is obtained by measuring. So for B, number of textbooks purchased is also a quantitative variable, and it is a discrete variable as the value is obtained by counting. So for C, academic costs is a qualitative variable and it is a nominal variable. And for D, gender is a qualitative variable as the variable is a numerical, and it is also a nominal variable because the variables are simply named or labeled with no specific order.
Greetings, my name is Divyashi Punusami, so let's do question number 15. Come on in with me. The mean of 5 numbers is 5 and the mean of 4 other numbers is 15. Find the mean of all the numbers combined. So what is mean first of all? Mean is the average or the common value in a collection of numbers. So the basic equation would be x bar equals to the sum of terms divided by the total number of terms. From our question, these are the keywords obtained, but the most important keywords would be all the numbers combined. So our question is about the combined mean, which means the mean of two or more separate groups. Using the keywords, we can extract two separate data, and using the formula for combined mean, n1 is the number of items in set A, n2 is the number of items in set B, x1 is the mean of set A, and x2 is the mean of set B. So from our question, n1 is 5, n2 is 4, x1 is 5, and x2 is 15. Now using the formula, we can get a combined mean of 9.44. Thank you.
My name is Haikal and I will proceed the presentation with the question number 22. So the question is to find P40 and P9, which is probability, and the given table were unarranged. So the first step is we need to rearrange the data from the least value to the highest value. So for P40, there are three things we need to find. The first one is N, and the second one is K, and the third one is R to find the P40. So the first one is N. N is equal to 14, and K is equal to 40 because of P40, and R is equal to 14 multiply with 40 divided by 100, and we get 5.9. So since R is not an integer, so P40 is equal to 6 observation, which is equal to 66. So we go to question B, P9. Find P9. So N equal to 14, the same one. So K as the question, P9. So K equal to 9. So R is 14 multiplied with 9 divided by 100 and equals to 1.3. So since R is not an integer, so P9 equal to second observation, which is 37. So that's all from me. We go to the next presenter. Thank you.
A very good day to all. My name is Tang Yan Yi, matrix number AS11870. So I'll be presenting the question. The lengths of service in years for a random sample of 24 workers in a certain company are as follow. So for part A, I have to obtain the first and third quartile. For the first quartile, I use the equation R equals to nk over 100, and I got the answer 6. Since R is an integer, so therefore, the first quartile is 4.5. Next, for third quartile, same goes. I use the equation R equals to nk over 100, and I got the answer 18 as the k equals to 75. Since R is an integer, so pk equals to 1/2 18 observation plus 19 observation. Therefore, third quartiles equals to 15.5. For part B, find the interquartile range. As the formula for interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, so I got the answer 11. For part C, I have to find the 10th and 90th percentiles. For the 10th percentile, same goes. I'll be using the equation R equals to nk over 100, k equals to 10, so I got the answer 2.4. Since R is not an integer, so the 10th percentile equals to the third integer, which is 2. For the 90th percentile, n equals to 24 and k equals to 19, R equals to nk over 100, meaning the answer is 21.6. Since R is not an integer, so 90th percentile equals to 22nd integer, which is 20. That's all for my part. Thank you for listening to me.